Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So my lovelies, as you can tell from the title, we have Massimo Dutti try on all. Yeah, so this time around I picked little things, I think 5 items that I really want to rock this winter season. And yeah, so these are my favorite sweaters, cardigans that I really love so much, and I think I also have a skirt here as well. And yes, so without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So this is the so this is the first bust, and oh my goodness, so oh my god, this is the only one here. Oh, okay, let me keep this. Yes, so my Massimo Dutti lovers, I know you guys might have seen this online, and I think they also have this in cream color. And yes, so at the moment, like, I'm really loving khaki. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys seen the arrow 13 trouser, the khaki one I used to do I think the last video as well. Oh my god, like, I really love that. And also my blazer oh god, I love it, like love. This is definitely going to fit my arrow 13 trouser. And yes, so cozy, warm. So I will tell you guys the material and how much I got this. And yes, so I really love this, and I took the size M. This is the size M, I think so. Size M, yeah. I took the size M, really beautiful. Let me tell you guys how much I took these. Knitwear is really beautiful, gorgeous. So let's move to the next. The next is a skirt. Oh my goodness, this beautiful, oh, you stay there, this beautiful creamy skirt. Like, I love the skirt. Yeah, the fabric is satin, really beautiful. Just imagine wearing this in summer. Amazing, love it. So let's move to the second box. Open. Cheese. I just kind of love everything that I ordered. Oh my goodness, let me just bring them out. This creamy one, like I wanted to, you know, fit with this cream skirt. Like amazing, so beautiful. This beautiful cream one with this button, and also at the side, each side has this beautiful button as well. Really, really beautiful in size M. Amazing, beautiful. This is beautiful. And then I also have these. Oh my god. And to wear this, oh my god, like this just matched to my outfit. Like I'm wearing this beautiful Zara skirt. Like, oh my god, you know, beautiful, amazing. So I really, really love this. And this has a shoulder pad. Like everything with shoulder pads really suits me very well. And elegant and sophisticated. This amazing. So the last one is this beautiful one. Like this looks beautiful. Like I don't know, like I'm still in doubt. I just, you know, wear it first to see how this really looks on me, but the rest are absolutely beautiful. So So lovelies, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also do follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Love you to the moon and back.